Welcome you all in our new lecture on Google Form. In our previous lecture, we have learned how to create form, how to add questions. We have added two short answer questions by having name and age. We have added a multiple choice question. Have you ever used Parleji? So it was a multiple choice questions. We have used linear scale. How often you feel satisfied? We have used an image for a short answer. We have divided the sections by using this, and we have added the image by we can add the image by using this link, or we can use this link. Okay, so we can add the image by using this link or this link, and we have divided this section by using this link, and we have asked certain personal informations in terms of MCQs. uh, by adding We have added these questions by using these options, and we have again added a question by using this link, and then we have shared the form by clicking on send. There are three options available to us. First is we can send this form by using mail. So we can write the email ID and we can send this form. We can share this form through by copying this URL. We can this is Since this is a long URL, we can short this URL, and now we can copy this URL and share to our respondents, maybe through you by using WhatsApp or maybe Telegram and other modes of communication. And we can also use this embedded HTML, which this HTML tag we can use on our website to fill the form. So now I have already shared this form, and for filling this here you can see there is one response. That means I have already filled the form, and I'm again filling the form by using another email ID, and so that we can check how the responses can be checked done by the different users. Okay, so here I'll add my name as XYZ. My age is suppose 25 in this case. Have you ever used Parleji? And I'll click on no, as I have in my previous option I have clicked yes. How often you feel satisfied? So this question should have to be related to the previous question, and should have to be clear, though this question was very general. So I'll answer these questions by using by keeping an assumption that this question is connected with this. And so, have you ever used Parleji? I said no. And how often you feel satisfied? Since I don't use Parleji, I don't feel much satisfied, so I feel dissatisfied. My answer can be this. And what do you mean by this image? I will write this image means Google Forms. Okay, and I can click on the next, which will this button will lead me to the next section of this form, and this form asks me the personal information. So three options available to me. What is your income? Here I'll mark it is my income is less than 1 lakh rupees. Okay, and what is your favorite brand? So first is LP, second is Puma, third is Nike, and here other option is given to me, so I can use the other option. So in my previous form I have used the other option, so in this case I'll click on this and I'll press submit. Now this form has been submitted by me, and now we will come back to our original form, okay, which we have created to collect the data, and here we can see two responses is available to me. Okay, now this is the important part for this video, how to read the responses. Okay, so here we can see in summary sections one of two. That means I am okay. So I'm right now I'm in individual sections. I'll click on summary section, and in summary section I can see this form has been filled by two persons. So name of these two person, first person was ABCD and another person was XYZ. The age of these two persons was 30 and 25. The response was given by these two persons. One have selected no and another have selected yes. And how often you feel satisfied? So one person is saying he feel extremely satisfied, and the another said he don't feel satisfied. And in another questions, what do you mean by this image? You can remember that um, you must have remembered that we have added an image in our questions, and that questions was uh, filled by one person, but another respondent have filled this form. And this we will go back to the another question, personal information. So one person said his information, his personal income is between 1 lakh to 5 lakh, and another said his income is up to 1 lakh. And what is your favorite brand? So one person said his favorite brand is Fab India. So now you must have remembered that I haven't added this option Fab India in my form. So by using that other options, one can add his own options. Okay, now this is all about the summary. We can check the responses in terms of the questions. Okay, so here are the number of questions which was asked by us. So first question was your name. Okay, so one person responded yes XYZ, another responded as ABCD. The second question is related to the age. So one person responded 25, another responded as 30. Have you ever used Parle-G? So one responded yes, another responded no. Then how often you feel satisfied? One said not so satisfied. One say yes, extremely satisfied. What do you mean by this image? This person says this is Google form. This person's he left question left blank, so he didn't answer this question. And what is your income? This person responds that his income is up to 1 lakh. This person responds his income is between 1 lakh to 5 lakh. And what is your favorite brand? So this person said his favorite brand is Fab India, and this person said his favorite brand is LP. Okay, now suppose I wanted to know according to the person, as an individual. Now we are in individual section, and here we can see the responses filled by Mr. ABCD. So the age of Mr. ABCD is 30. Have you ever used Parle-G? Mr. ABCD says yes, he have used Parle-G. And Mr. ABCD says how often you feel satisfied. So Mr. ABCD says he feel extremely satisfied or strongly satisfied. What do you mean by this image? Mr. ABCD left blank this questions. He didn't understand these questions, or he don't wanted to answer this question. Then Mr. ABCD says his income is between 1 lakh to 5 lakh. Then Mr. ABCD says his favorite brand is Fab India. Okay, and similarly we can click on this, so we can go to the next response, second. So this is a response filled by Mr. XYZ. So the age of Mr. XYZ is 25. Mr. XYZ said that he never used Parle-G, and he don't feel satisfied. And what do you mean by this image? Mr. XYZ fill this answer these questions by writing this image means Google form. And the personal income in term of in personal income section, information section, Mr. XYZ said his income is up to 1 lakh rupees. And what is his favorite brand? Mr. XYZ's favorite brand is LP. Okay, so that's how we can read the responses. Now there is one more thing, we can always download the Excel sheet. So for download the Excel sheet, we have to click on this uh, green option. So we will click on this button, and this will generate the Excel sheet. Okay, so here is our Excel sheet. Okay, now whenever we will click on this link, we can see that this Excel sheet comes with a timestamp. Now what do you mean by timestamp? Timestamp means is on which date at what time that this specific person filled this form. Okay, so if Mr. ABCD filled this form on 19th of June 2020 at 10:43, and Mr. XYZ filled this form on 19th of June 2020 at 10:57. Okay, and here we can see the responses filled by Mr. ABCD and as well as XYZ. Age 30, 25, yes, no, 1, 4, 1 lakh to 5 lakh to 1 lakh, Fab India, LP. And what you mean by this image is Google form, and this is left blank. Okay, now we can see here, we can see share option. We can click on this share option. So since this share option is right now locked, we can see that this is private and this is available to me only. If I wanted to share this file, I have to click on this button, and I have to add other people. Okay, so if I added the people in my Google contact list, I can directly add their name and add them, or I have to add their email ID if I haven't add them as a contact in my Gmail. So in this case, I'll write the email ID of a person. So this is the email ID of this person. Okay, I'll click on this, and here I can assign options to him. Okay, I wanted to share this file as a viewer to him, I wanted to share this file as commenter to him, and I wanted to share this file as an editor to him. So in case of editor options, this person can edit this file. Okay, and then I can click on the send button and this file will send, or I can add some certain custom message so that this person will get to know this form is related to, or this file is related to which survey, which kind of a survey. Okay, so I'll click on cancel right now, and okay, now one more thing, there is a share with people setting, so I can change this setting. So there are only two options available to us. First is editor can change permission and share. So if I click on this, then in that case, then editor won't have any options, that editor can change then permission and shares. And in case another is viewer and commenter can see the options to download, print and copy. If I unclick this, uncheck this, in that case, if I share this file to that person as a viewer, then this person can't download this file, share this file and print this file. Now we will go back to our satisfaction survey. Okay, so that's all in Google Form. I hope you, there are many more lectures that we are preparing for you. Please stay tuned with us. Thank you very much.